During tornadoes and flash floods, move to the lowest safe level of a sturdy building if available, avoid floodwater, and never drive through flooded roads. Listen only to official emergency instructions. Stay inside! Keep away from the windows! Follow emergency instructions and do not enter flooded areas! When disaster strikes, protecting life is always the highest priority. Leave damaged buildings carefully if it is safe to do so, avoid fallen power lines, and help others only when you can do so safely.